Alright, so I want to do a really quick lesson on gestures because I use them all the time and there's a couple of them that I use a lot, so we're going to cover those real quick. The first two we've talked about already, and that is the undo and redo. So if I go get a brush here, and pick a color and draw, 2 fingers on the canvas will undo. 3 fingers will redo. Now the way that I hold a pen, let me show you guys here. I do it with 2 fingers, like I guess most people do, about like this. So this actually frees up. I can use these two here, my ring finger, or middle finger, and my thumb for undo, and then just drop it down this 3rd finger for redo, and I don't have to let go of the pen. So draw, undo, and or redo, either one, without having to worry about picking up the pen or anything like that. The other thing I use constantly is the zoom and rotate. Now, a lot of apps do this. The cool thing about Procreate is it does them at the same time. So if you put 2 fingers on the canvas, let me draw something on here so you guys can follow. 2 fingers on the canvas, pull them apart, and it zooms. Put them back together, it goes in. This is pretty standard. iPhones, iPads been doing this for a long time. But with Procreate, you can do them both together. So we can small, big, rotate, all this stuff at the same time. And that's really, really useful. Because most people, if you're like me, I'm most comfortable making lines that are, kind of horizontal, kind of like this angle. Because that's just kind of like the natural movement of your arm goes that way. So a lot of times you'll see me do this, and then let's say I need to make this angle. Well, instead, I'll just kind of do this. And that way, it's just, a lot of artists that you'll watch that are drawing on paper, you'll see them constantly, adjusting, resizing and things. And Procreate, it feels very natural to do that way. So that's something you'll see me doing quite a bit. The other thing that I don't use quite as much is the quick menu, I believe they call it. Let me check the settings. Yeah, so if you go to the... We're going to get to this section in a bit, but if you go to the little settings icon up here with a little wrench, and where it says preferences, and then advanced gestures, okay, there's a quick menu you can turn off and on, and there's a couple of different ways you can set that up, but I've got it set to touch hold, which is just put a finger down and hold it, and you get that layer pop up. I've probably got it set to too much time right now. You can adjust that, but you can clear the layer, you can merge down, you can copy, you can make a new layer. There's a lot of things you can do there. So you just touch and hold, that'll pull that up. If you have it set to something different, like if you have it set to just touch or tap or any of those things, then it'll obviously work the same way. The other thing you can do is there's a 3-finger clear. So if make sure I'm on the right layer, if you put 3 fingers on the canvas and then just basically shake back and forth, it clears it. So that's one way you can quickly clear. 2-finger undo. Again, you'll start doing it so much that you'll do it without even thinking about it. So I think that covers all the main gestures anyway we use. If I come across anything else, we'll throw it in there as well. So let's move on.